Hello, the following presentation was developed by Smart Team LLC. Smart Team is a technical partner of Autonomy focused on enhancing the capabilities of Liquid Office to meet your business needs. This demo is for the SharePoint Export Agent. The SharePoint Export Agent is going to provide the functionality to export data from an eForm to the SharePoint server. This demo is going to show the configuration of the SharePoint Export Agent and the database configuration. First, we're going to look at the SharePoint agent setup. So I'll open the Liquid Office Management Console and add a new Connect agent called SharePoint Export, and it's an export plugin. And I'll select the export plugin, which is SharePoint Export. Click Next. This will open the setup screen for the SharePoint Export. I'll specify the SharePoint site URL and SharePoint service URL. The authentication type is NTLM. I'll specify the username and password, as well as the domain name. And that's it for setting up the Connect agent. So now that we've got that configured, we'll move on to the form setup. So I'll open up our form. I'll go to the Data Exports tab and add a new SharePoint export to the form. I'll enter the list name, and then I'll map the form fields to the list fields. I'll select attachments and the PDF export as a PDF. Now I'll go back to our web desktop and fill out the form. So I'll enter the first name and the last name and the email and the work phone. And I'm going to add an attachment. And I'm just going to browse to a text file that I have on my system. I'll go ahead and submit the form. And now let's go to SharePoint and look for our attachment. So I'll go to Attachment, and you can see that there is a new attachment. And if I click on that and view the item, you can see that we have two attachments. One is the form.pdf, which is a PDF version of the form that we filled out. And the second is going to be our text document that we attached. And you can see it's just a simple text form. So, that completes the demo for today. If you have any questions, please visit us at smartteamllc.com. Thank you.